Ka passing out parade yong ki wada Pyndep chah sikai watip kam ka second batch arm branch recruit constables wada penman ha third MLP battalion Sahpseiñ West Giant Hill District de pengkut ha ka khat ring hei wa ka ida shisha nongrang IPS Director General of Police ka Meghalaya the one ka kam ka kongsan we de chim gale ya ka salam we de lai pai lai seli go ya ki bele perin hawa pediang ngau bahaya kini ki pulit thymme ka Meghalaya Police ka ida shisha nongrang de ikhublai go yaki tu ki wada Pyndep yakani ka sikai wa khor bha we de pen kan mo go yaki ye kam wadaw le ki katu ha ki thau kre wada bo yaki de kan tu ko le yaki wo pen em kam bha ye wada tip ki nei ni icha sikai we wo ra ki ipor wa kre ki hado wa chongya ka DGP de sam gole yaki khusnam chaki wa job ha ki wa bon ki jai sikai hei wa ye nam best in arms handling the like a chau ABRC lektush sangma na West Karo Hills DEF tura ye nam best in firing the like a chau ABRC thanks rang sangma na East Karo Hills DEF William Nagar ye nam BPET the like a chau ABRC Sumar Dei Akornyang na West Karo Hills tura ye nam best in PPT dalai ke chau ABRC Jenggilbert CH Marak na West Karo Hills tura ye nam best exemplary conduct dalai ke chau ABRC October talang na West Karo Hills DEF tura katwa ye nam overall rounder dalai ke chau ABRC on satay lang Carson Tiu na East Karo Hills DEF Shillong niliang u komandan kathat battalion Vivek Ananda Rathor IPS Doongu wakani ka passing out parade man ka kam uwi na kimomer wa kam helai luti uwan upulit wa ya ka wan ka kerdan kam te daman iwas ngak men wo yo ya ki wada ye Pyndep ya kani ka chah sikai da yero ule ye man renti we kre chitom ki wa chah sikai he wa yo ka wan ka ujor percha ya wan u recruit constable ne follower na do wasdang ha do akut ki sikai da penti bule wakani to ka second batch wada ye Pyndep hagani ka training center hei wa ka first batch da Pyndep how arjar khatso dei wa kandi phau nyangut ki recruit constables na ka third battalion wa 6 battalion we kini ki wadang Pyndep ka te to ki wa nyaw phau wingun na ki wa bon ki unit wa ki district wa kan thup ya ka West Karo Hills DEF East Karo Hills DEF East Karo Hills DEF First Meghalaya Police Battalion West Giant Hills DEF Special Branch CID Riboy District North Karo Hills DEF South Karo Hills DEF Daylang wa wiu driver wa prangut ki follower.
These RCs have been trained in various subjects like drill with arms, without arms, weapon training, field craft and tactics, riot control drill, and various indoor subjects including the Constitution of India, the Assam Police Manual, the human rights, the criminal laws, and other related subjects. Ma'am, the performance of the badge has been exemplary, and till date I have not received even a single complaint against any of the RCs or follower who are here for almost 1 year now. So that's an achievement for all of them. I won't take much time. I take this opportunity to wish all the very best to all my recruit constables who are passing out today and the followers who, due to their hard work and dedication over last 11 months, have made this day a reality.
You stand now today as members of the Meghalaya Police. The challenges before you would be manifold. You would be called upon to do a varied kind of duties. As mentioned by the Commandant, the very fact that he has not had a single complaint in all the nearly 1 year that you have been here. In all those months, it has shown that your dedication to duty and your devotion would be something which would stand you in good stead as you step out and become regular members of the Meghalaya Police family. But as you go to your different units, remember that what you take from here today, what you take with you is the fact that you are part of the Meghalaya Police, and you will, while your affiliation would be to the unit, to your parent unit, remember that we all work together and the team is as strong as the weakest link that is here amongst us. I take now this opportunity to wish you all the very best, and I am sure that with the exemplary conduct that you have displayed in the training center, that conduct will continue throughout your service, and you will be an exemplary part of the Meghalaya Police.
RC First Pillar Suchwan, Jonga East Khasi Hills, DF Shillong, Ila Jam Shapar Shah Facilitating Base, Nagabanda, Ban I Kublai Guram, Yai Chief Guest.
Platoon number 2, led by the commander ABRC 10 Swang Sangma of East Kasil DF Shillong.
Wyrta, Platoon Kamaan, Malalang Commando Platoon Commander, ABRC, Tuan Swang Sangma, Jonga East Khasi Hills, DF Shillong, Ila Jam Shapar Shah Facilitating Base, Nagabanda, Ban I Kublai, Yai Chief Guest.
Now we have the platoon, the band platoon from 1st MLP Battalion Mawyo Shillong, led by the band master ABSI Tomon Sangma.
Kumaglaw sa kaban ng First MLP Battalion Mawyo Shillong, Malalang Commando Master, PSI Kumul.
Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that to the best of my abilities, knowledge and judgment, perform my assigned duties faithfully, that I shall obey and carry out all legal orders of my superiors and uphold the honor and dignity of Meghalaya Police, that I will fulfill my responsibilities towards the citizens and the country, even if I have to sacrifice my life. So help me God.